How to use advanced feature in Twitter. Now, Twitter, now known as X, offers several advanced features that allows user to have more control over the experience, including specific search filters, private groups, and audio conversation as well. So, this tool or an advanced search tool lets you find a specific tweet account by filtering by the keyword, user engagement, and more as well. It is accessible on a desktop as well, or by clicking the filter option after performing a basic search. So basically, click the search bar over here. You want to go ahead and type in a keyword. Then you could go ahead and look for these options, and you could go to latest, or you could just go ahead and click on the filter button. Then click on people you know, or maybe from anywhere, whatever you want to do. Click on apply, and this way you'll be able to use advanced search. Now, basically, there are other options, or you could also go to Twitter Circle that lets you share your post with a smaller group, initiates or intimate group of up to 150 people. A tweet sent to your circle indicates a green badge and cannot be reposted. So for this, you just have to compose a new tweet. So do the same thing, click on the post button, and you just need to select the audience, which says everyone by default, but you have to go and select Twitter Circle from the option, and if it's your first time, you have to edit to add or remove member from your circle. Then you could finish composing and post the tweet. Only members of your circle can see and reply to it. So this is how you will be able to use advanced feature in Twitter. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.